Hi everyone, welcome to Military One, Chanel, which always presents interesting videos about fighter jets and airplanes. The B-52H Stratofortress is a long-range heavy bomber that can perform a variety of missions. The bomber is capable of flying at high subsonic speeds at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet, 15,166.6 meters. It can carry nuclear-guided or precision-guided conventional weapons with precision navigation capabilities around the world. These aircraft flew their final training flight in the 193rd Special Operations Wing in Middletown, Pennsylvania, September 17, 2022. Airmen of the 193rd Special Operations Wing concludes a 54-year chapter in the unit's history. For more than 60 years, the B-52 has been the backbone of the strategic bombing force for the United States. The B-52 is capable of dropping or launching the widest weapon in the U.S. inventory. This includes gravity bombs, cluster bombs, precision-guided missiles, and combined direct attack ammunition. Updated with modern technology, the B-52 is able to provide a complete weaponry that was developed jointly and will continue into the 21st century as an important element of our country's defense. The Air Force currently expects to operate the B-52 through 2050. The aircraft's versatility was evident in Operation Desert Storm and again during Allied operations. The B-52 struck large area troop concentrations, fixed installations, and bunkers, and crushed the morale of the Iraqi Republican Guard. On September 2nd to 3rd, 1996, two B-52HS attacked Baghdad's power plant and communications facilities with 13 AGM-86C conventional air-launched cruise missiles, or CALCM, as part of Operation Desert Strike. At the time, this was the longest distance flown for a combat mission involving a 34-hour, 16,000-mile round trip from Barksdale Air Force Base, Louisiana. Only the H model remains in Air Force inventory and is deployed in the 5th Bomb Wing at AFB Minot, North Dakota, and the 2nd Bomb Wing at AFB Barksdale, Louisiana, which is under Air Force Global Strike Command. The aircraft was also assigned to the Air Force Reserve Command's 307 Bomb Wing at Barksdale AFB.